Best fruity drinks. Crafting delicious beverages at home. 1. Fruity drink basics. Essential tools. Juicer or blender. Cooking pot, mixing bowls. Measuring cups and spoons. Spoons for stirring. Strainers for filtering liquids. Airtight containers for storage. Essential ingredients. Fresh fruits, oranges, grapefruits, watermelons, mangoes, etc. Sweeteners, rock candy, honey sugar, milk for milk teas, sago or tapioca pearls for bubble teas, tea leaves, black tea, green tea, yeast for fruit wines, water. 2. Refreshing fruit teas, 2.1 green orange passion fruit tea. Ingredients, small green oranges, passion fruit, rock candy, honey. Sprite instructions. 1. Prep the fruits, grasp small, green oranges and passion fruits well to release their juices. 2. Mix ingredients. In a mixing bowl, combine rock candy and honey with the juiced fruits. 3. Storage. Place the mixture in an airtight container and refrigerate it. 4. Serve. When ready, take 2 cups of the frozen mixture and pour Sprite over it. Add Yakult for extra zing. Enjoy. 2.2 Honey grapefruit tea. Ingredients: grapefruit peel, rock candy, water, honey. Instructions. 1. Add salt to grapefruit peel and blanch twice in water to remove bitterness. 2. Make the syrup. Mix 300 grams of rock candy with 250 ml of water and heat until slightly reduced. So you add honey. Turn off heat and mix in honey to taste. Bar. Serve. Enjoy warm or cold. Sure milk teas and bubble teas. 3.1 brown sugar milk tea with sago. Ingredients: brown sugar, white sago, water, milk. Tea leaves. Instructions. 1. Boil half a pack of white sago in boiling water. 2. Fry sugar and tea leaves until brown. 3. Place sago in a cup and pour milk tea over it. Pour in boiling water and add milk. Enjoy. 3.2 Mango milkshake. Ingredients: ripe mangoes, sugar, jelly, milk or coconut milk. Instructions. 1. Peel and mash ripe mangoes with 5 g of sugar, then simmer for 10 until translucent. Dissolve 20 grams of jelly in boiling water and let it cool to solidify. 3. Blend mango chunks with milk or coconut milk until smooth. 4. Serve. Layer mashed mango, jelly, and milkshake in a cup. Enjoy. 4.1 Orange peel fruit wine. Ingredients: orange peel, rock sugar, water, yeast. Instructions. 1. Steam and chop orange peels with water for 30 minutes, placing them in a clean jar. 2. Add 50-degree rock sugar, 800 ml cold water, and yeast. We ferment, seal, and let it ferment in a warm place for 5 to 7 days. 4. Strain and store. Filter out solids and store the liquid. Enjoy. 4. Homemade fruit wines. 4.2 Grape rice wine. Ingredients: grapes, sticky rice, rock sugar, yeast. Instructions. 1. Steam grapes. Wash and steam grapes for 10 minutes. 2. Sticky rice. Cook according to package instructions. 3. Combine steamed grapes with sticky rice and rock sugar, then add yeast. 4. Ferment. Cover and let ferment for 2 days at room temperature. 5. Filter and store. Strain the liquid and store. Enjoy. Happy cooking!